Hello all. Hello all, am I audible? Hello all, am I audible? Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible? Hello, hello, yeah. Shall we start? How many participants are there? Please respond in chat. Hello, Hello, am I audible? Just the participants who joined in the live stream, please respond in live chat with your names. With your names. Are you able to view my screen? Hi. Okay. Yeah, Swati, are you there? Okay. We'll wait a few more minutes. We have very few participants today. Sumant, have you joined? Thank you. Respond me, Sumant. Hello. Hello. Hello all. Swati, are you there? Hello, Swati. Okay, shall we start, Swati? Just inform me in the chat. Shall we start? Okay. Anyway, I'm starting now. Uh, Tell others also to join. Okay. Only one participant is there. Only one is showing here. It is. I don't know what about remaining. Yeah, I'm going to start this. This is my welcome to our this one. What we are going to start, and this is the yeah. So this is my agenda. What I want to start now. That is my agenda. See, the introduction to data science. The name of this particular session is data science using Python live stream. Okay. Sai, have you joined? Sai Krishna. Yeah. Tell others to join. Very few members are there, Sai. So that's why I couldn't able to start. I'm waiting for the few people who are going to join. Sai Krishna, please tell your friends to join. No, I'm waiting. If you want to say anything, please respond in the chat box. Yeah. Yeah, very good afternoon, one and all. Here I'm going to start a session called Data Science using Python. Yeah, today, all of welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. Today, I'm going to start the data science using Python, a live stream, and I want to give some overview of the data science using Python and some of the like hands-on also, like what are the functions are there in the pandas. That also, I want to give a small introduction, and I want to make small videos also on that further. So this session will help you for understanding of the introduction part of the data science and just give a baseline to the data science understanding. For that purpose, I am going to do this session. Okay, so what are the main points are there in the data science, that introduction parts I want to cover, and some sample hands-on also I want to give. Okay, so let me show you what are the various kinds of parts of the agenda I want to give you. Okay, so here this is the agenda of this particular introduction to data science or data science using Python. Here the very first one is introduction to data science, and next one data science life cycle. Uh, First of all, let me know my screen is visible to all to you. Can you able to see my screen? Or the agenda screen is visible, right to you people? Please respond on the live chat. Sai Krishna, can you able to hear my voice? Swati, are you able to hear my voice? Just let me know your voice, my voice is visible to you or not. Are you able to listen my voice? Please respond in the live chat so that I can understand. Will you able to listen my voice or not? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sumant. Any others? Sai Krishna, can you hear me? Sai Krishna? Yeah, right. So now we are going to start now. So as I already told now, the agenda of this particular session, what I want to cover: introduction to data science life cycle, and then Python packages for data science. What are the various packages for Python? And then exploratory data analysis. Okay, and then Python tools for exploratory data analysis, some machine learning concepts, and then some what we call pandas hands-on and discussion on the queries. These are the main things. I think these are the main things. If we cover, at least you will get some idea on the data science using Python. Even the participants are very few. I don't want to waste the time. I want to cover these topics. At least the remaining participants can listen and can utilize this particular live stream for their purpose, right? So, first one is the introduction to data science. First of all, I'm going to give what is the data science. It's a trendy word in the computer science and IT. So, most of the people are going towards data science. What it is actually, what are the things that we are going to see in the data science? I will give this exact introduction now. So, what is the particular introduction of this data science? Okay, so here, yeah, thank you, Sai. Here, the data science is called as what? It is a combination of multiple disciplines. Actually, it's not one single discipline. It is a more number of the subjects are included in it in the data science. And as Python programming and as what we can say other kind of the subjects, how one artificial intelligence or as Java programming like that, the other subjects are there. These are not artificial intelligence like database management systems. Other kind of subjects are there. This data science is not single one single kind of the subject. It is a combination of multiple number of the subjects involved in it. And this data cycle is not single phenomena or not single kind of one single task completion, like writing the program and as well as executing the program. It involves in the various kind of series, phases are there, like data will be collected and it will be processed and it will be uh, modeled, it will be pre-processed, we will do some operations on it, and again it will make use for particular algorithms what we are going to work, and all these things we will see sequentially one phase after another. So what we can say, it's not one single subject, and as well as what we can say, it's not one single phase, right? So that is the data science. The first point illustrates it is a combination of interdisciplinary, it is a combination of multiple disciplines. So what are the combinations, what are the other disciplines it is involving? Means the first one is the statistics part, so some stats part also involved in it, and the next one is data analysis, analyzing the data. We are make using of some Python libraries. Python is a very good programming language which helps you to work with various kinds of libraries. You need to work with the data science in order to carry out the various kinds of data science phenomena, various kinds of data science tasks. The Python is most suitable language. We work with the Python. Okay, and later we build certain set of the models, supervised learning models, classification models, or machine learning models. Various kinds of the models overall we can do with the help of machine learning. So finally we can say it is a combination of multiple disciplines, right? Okay, right. And next, yeah, yeah. And next, what I'm going to say, am I audible? Just tell me, my voice is clear or not to you? Just Sai, am I audible to you? Remaining people, am I audible to you? Because I'm goes on telling I am unable to know the you people are listening or not. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sumant. Yeah. Next what we are going to see is, so as we said, it is a combination of multiple number of the subjects, right? Like statistics, data analysis, machine learning, etc., etc., right? So now what we are going to see is we are going to perform data analysis. What is the data analysis? We extracted data from multiple number of the sources. Okay, so what is the data normally, where we can get the data? Just tell me your answers. Nowadays, how can we extract the data? How can we gather the data? Anybody can answer me for this? Yeah. What is data? Just tell me what is data. Yeah, from databases, that is also one answer, a good answer. Okay, normally we can extract the data from multiple number of the sources. Nowadays, all the data is available from social networks. Okay, so the data normally categorized into three different types. Let me show you. The one is the structured data, another one is unstructured data, and another one is semi-structured data. Okay, so before to this, let me show you my board. Okay, so I am sharing my entire screen. Yeah, are you able to watch my whiteboard now? Yeah, yeah. Now are you able to watch my screen now? Yes, are you able to watch my screen now? Yeah, let me know. Are you able to watch my screen or not? Yeah, you can watch my screen, right? Yes, exactly. Now, what I'm going to see is, what I'm going to show is the data is three different parts. The first, it is divided into three different parts: structured and unstructured and semi-structured. Three parts, three types of the data we are having. First of all, we will see what is the structured data. Structured data means, as Sumant said, we are extracting from multiple number of the databases. Okay, it is well structured, it is organized in the form of fields and records. The everything is organized, we can access easily. Also, the data extracting from the dbs or the databases is called as structured data. And what is unstructured data? When you are going to access from social networks, like any kind of the Instagram post or Facebook post, and other kind of the posts, we can see this. Yeah, this is nothing but unstructured. Okay, right? Can you hear me? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So it is nothing but from Facebook post or Instagram post or anything we can access. And tell me, if you access any data from any kind of the Facebook or Instagram post, is it structured? It is not at all structured. It is multiple mixture. Like we can have diagrams, and as well as we can have some kind of text, and we can have some kind of thumbnails, small diagrams, and all. Everything are available there, so that it's not a structured kind. So a Facebook or Instagram post is very good example of unstructured kind. And now, what is the semi structured kind? So JSON and JSON data will be there. Okay, and then for the very good example, not JSON, first we will go for XML. DTDs, XML document type definitions, are very good example of semi structured data. These are the combination of graphics, and these are the combination of text also. Okay, so these are the combination of graphics, and these are the combination of other kind of database and graphics mixture of the data. So this is the example of semi structured data. So data is divided into three different parts: structured data, unstructured data, and as well as the semi structured data. These are the different kinds of the data we are having. Okay, we need to handle this kind of the data normally. Now what we are going to see here is structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. And now I am going to share my PPT. Yeah. So I'm going to perform the data analysis on this. Okay. So directly, can we handle the data, whatever we extracted directly? No. It can have some kind of missing values. It can have some kind of like what we can say anomalies. It can have some kind of um, uh, other kind of values like null values, etc., etc. So what we have to do is, just we need to pre-process it, we have to analyze it, and we have to make it ready for our algorithm what we are working with. This entire feature is called as what? Per data analysis. Okay, analyzing the data means you can extract whatever data is required for your phenomena, for your task what you are handling. So in order to do that, you have to clean the data, you have to cleanse it, and you have to clean it, you have to pre-process it, you have to remove the null values, you have to remove the missing values, and you have to remove some columns also. These columns in the data science terminology is called as just 1 minute. Okay, and this data is yeah, we have to remove such kind of anomalies, and we have to make the data to for our purpose what we are going to work, which will be ready for our task. Okay, so now tell me, am I audible to you? Now you can audible. Okay. Right. So, this is the data analysis. The next one is extract knowledge and insights. From the data, we can extract knowledge and insights also from the data. Okay, so for that, what we need to do is we have to extract knowledge and insights. What is the meaning of this extract knowledge and insights? One feature is associated with another feature, right? So here, what we have to see is, for example, how the salary feature is there, salary column is there, how it is associated with HRA, or DA is associated with salary. So how one feature is associated with another feature, we need to find such kind of correlation among the columns. We need to find such kind of the correlation or the relationship among such kind of the columns. This is called as the extract knowledge and insights. Okay, from the data set what we are going to work, that means the relationships among the database, the relationships among the features, how they are going to connect with each other, one with each other. So what kind of the relationship is existing, one to one or one to many, or one is dependent upon another, like what kind of the relationships are existing on the data sets that we are on the data features in the data set that we are going to see. Okay, from the data that we are going to see, it may be data set or it may be data what we have extracted, whatever it is. And finally we are building the models for prediction. Okay, for this we are making use of what, we are making use of machine learning models. Understand now? So this is the data science. Next what we are going to see, what is the life cycle of the data science. So this is the life cycle of the data science. Here the first one is nothing but the problem definition, second one data collection, data cleaning and preparation, modeling, feature engineering, exploratory data analysis, model evaluation, deployment monitoring, and as well as maintenance. The first one is nothing but the problem definition. What is a problem definition? Normally in the data science, first of all you need to handle any kind of the problem, like what kind of the problem you are going to handle, that is called as the problem definition. Which problem, the prediction problem or other kind of the problem, what problem you are going to handle, that is called as problem definition. So suppose you want to predict the salary, suppose you want to predict the particular disease of a person. So that is the problem, prediction of a disease. You have taken the data for that, you are working on a healthcare management project to predict particular disease, right? So for that what you have to do, you have to collect the data. So from where you will collect the data, normally from multiple number of the sources, from world wide web, etc., etc. And next what you are going to see, after collection of the data, will the data is ready for you for your task what you are going to conduct? No, the data is not ready for the task what you are going to conduct. For that what you have to do is, you have to go with the cleansing process or cleaning process and data cleaning and preparation. Okay, after cleaning and preparation, it can have another concept that is called EDA, exploratory data analysis, in very important feature of the data science. Okay, actually these two features are combined, data cleaning and preparation, these two features are interlinked with each other. This feature is also included in it, this page also included in it, these two totally called as exploratory data analysis. What is the thing we do in the exploratory data analysis? We will clean the data, we will establish the relationships among the data, and we can visualize the data. These things we do: clean, establishing the relationships, and visualize the data. These three things we do in the exploratory data analysis. And later we go for feature engineering. What are the feature means what? The columns in the database, the fields of the database are called as features. These are the features in the data set we can say. Okay, so we can make feature ready, whatever the extracted features are there, those features only we can make use. And finally we can do the modeling. The model will be evaluated, how much percentage it is performing better, the how much accurately it is working, that is called as the accuracy. And finally deployment, monitoring, and maintenance of that particular model. So what is the first one? Problem definition, which problem you are going to work, which problem you are going to carry out, and based on that problem you will collect the data, and then the data you're making ready to the data cleaning and preparation, and then you do establishing the relationships, visualizing and all in the exploratory data analysis, and finally you extracted the required data whatever you want for your task, and then you model it, and model will be evaluated, and finally it will be deployment, monitoring, and maintenance. Suppose the model you want to deploy it on a cloud environment, you can make use of AWS SageMaker. Suppose you want to deploy on Azure, you can deploy it on Azure machine learning cloud, Azure machine learning place. Okay, so Azure cloud you can deploy. So most of the models work with AWS SageMaker. We can work with the deploy. We can deploy the models there. Okay, so deployment can be done normally on the cloud. Okay, so this is the entire cycle or phases of the data science life cycle briefly. Okay, and now what I'm going to see is what are the Python packages. Python is a very vast programming language. As all of you know, Python is it's not as simple as simple programming language like we can have so how C programming have small number of the set of things and small number of uh, uh, library functions and all. Python is not like that. It's a big ocean. It's a pure object oriented programming language and as well as interpreted programming language. I know some of the participants can have some idea on the Python. I think Sai Krishna, you have some idea, right, on the Python, right? Yeah. So I think you learned Python, Sai Krishna. Okay. And then some of the participants are also having some idea on the Python. It's a vast programming language. Why we are going towards Python means the Python provides very good packages, very good libraries for handling this deep learning, machine learning, and as well as the data science. The advanced concepts we can able to work with all the advanced concepts with Python. Python provides that kind of the features, so that's why people are going towards Python. Now here also now we are working with the Python, and here I am illustrating what are the required packages for the Python, right? So what are the various Python packages? Here the very first one I am showing is NumPy. What is NumPy? Anybody having any idea? The participants just give me in just give me what is NumPy. Sai Krishna, do you know what is NumPy? NumPy is numerical Python. Okay, so NumPy stands for numerical Python. NumPy is very important. If you want to do any kind of numerical operations, if you want to carry out any kind of numerical things, numerical packages, then you go for NumPy. What is the second one is nothing but Pandas. What is the acronym of Pandas? Python data analysis. Pandas stands for Python data analysis. Okay, the data analysis can be perfectly carried out, or exploratory data analysis also can be perfectly carried out with the help of these pandas, Python data analysis. And what is the next one is SciPy. What is the SciPy actually? Scientific Python. Whenever you want to work with any kind of scientific, we can say what we can say, scientific operations that then we can go for SciPy. SciPy stands for scientific Python. Okay, scientific operations. Now we are coming to the next one, scikit-learn. What is the scikit-learn? Whenever you want to work with machine learning libraries like training and testing, you want to do like regression kind of the thing and classification kind of problems you want to handle, then you can go for this scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is the very very important package which helps you to work with the machine learning. Unless there is no scikit-learn, there is no Python. There is no machine learning with the Python. Okay. So the next one is what? Matplotlib. What is this Matplotlib? It is used for better visualization. Visualization techniques we can make use of this Matplotlib. Data visualizations like histograms, bar graphs, scatter plots, etc., etc., line graphs, dot graphs, etc., etc. We can make use of this Matplotlib. And the next one is CBAN. CBAN is also very good, effective data visualizations we can get. It is advanced than the Matplotlib. We can have beautiful visualizations using the CBAN. And the next one is the beautiful soup. There is another package, Python package is there. This is called as what? Beautiful soup. So what is beautiful soup? It is used to work with the websites. Whenever you want to extract the data from the websites, you may have go with beautiful soup. Beautiful soup is used to for what? Extracting the data from the websites. For that purpose we are going to use this beautiful soup. Okay. And next, I'm going to talk about Keras. What is Keras? For deep learning concepts, nowadays we are working with image data, all we are working with MPG data, JPG data, MPG, WMU files, the motion files, or we can say video files. Okay, such kind of data we are working on that. Then these data sets are not suitable directly. We need to go for this Keras. Okay, so these are the required packages for the Python when you are working with the data science. The first one is NumPy, Pandas, SkyPy, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Beautiful Soup, and Keras. I think you understand all these things of the Python packages and data science lifecycle, and as well as introduction to the data science, right? Okay, shall we move further? Shall we move further? Yeah, just ping me. Yeah. Okay, then we shall move further. I want answers from another participants also. Sumant, thank you. Any other participants? Swati, are you there? Yeah, just ping me in the chat if you want to say anything. Yeah, we shall start with next one, that is EDA, Exploratory Data Analysis. Okay. Yeah. What is the meaning of this exploratory data analysis normally? Do you have any idea? I will start actually that what is the meaning of this exploratory data analysis. Explore as I shown in the previous one, that is in the life cycle is there. Here I shown in the data science life cycle, problem definition, data collection, data cleaning and preparation, and exploratory data analysis. This exploratory data analysis is one of the biggest phase of the data science. The 70% of the work carried out in this exploratory data analysis only. Okay, so the 70% of the work we will do at the exploratory data analysis only. So what it will do, what are the tasks, main tasks it will do in the exploratory data analysis, that we are going to see now. See, it is a main step of the data science. What are the things it involved? Cleaning, pre-processing, and visualizing. We can clean the data. We can clean the data here. What is the meaning purpose of the cleaning of the data? The data is what you extracted is not at all ready for you to use as it is, right? It can have some missing values, it can have some error values, some null values, etc., etc. The data can have. So what you have to do, you have to reduce those values, you have to remove those values, and some of the unnecessary features also will be there. What you have to do, you have to remove those features, and you have to make the data available for your purpose. Okay, but some of the features are not necessary for you, you need to remove also them. For that, what you will do, you have to do some dimensionality reduction technique, that is called as removing the features is called as what, that is a feature called dimensionality reduction. Okay, so that feature also you will do in order to not only clean the data, you can clean the unwanted what we can say features also you can remove. And finally, you're making beautiful visualizations like how the data is distributed in bar graphs, how the data is distributed in column charts, how the data is distributed in bar charts, histograms, pie charts, etc., etc. That is called as what, data visualization. How this can be done in data visualization. Okay, that also you can do. And the next one is what, identification. What kind of identification? Uncover and discover the patterns. You need to identify set of the patterns which are required by you. Okay, so what are the features are there which are required by you, you can identify, you can uncover some of the patterns, and you can discover the new patterns. And what you can say, these patterns, how they are related with each other, that also you have to do, right? So cleaning, pre-processing, and visualizing, not only the cleaning, pre-processing, and visualizing, these are the set of the things you have to do. The exploratory data analysis involves what? It involves cleaning of the data, and pre-processing of the data, and visualizing the data. Okay, so these things normally you will do, and finally you do the beautiful visualizations on that scatter plots, box plots, and all, everything you will do. And already also you can do the identification of the required features, uncover and discover the new features, and identify the relationships, and establishing the relationships also among those number of the features. Okay, so and next one is what, the outliers. What are the outliers are there? Outliers means unused variables. For example, in a given set, you are having only apples. You find any grape that is a different similarity, right, from the apple. So what you can say, that you can say simply it is an outlier of the set. So which is sharing the different properties from the existing ones, we can say that is called as outliers. So outlier detection also that we can see in the exploratory data analysis, right? So these things normally the main key aspects of the exploratory data analysis: cleaning, pre-processing, visualizing the data, discovering, identifying, and various kinds of the relationships among the data, and as well as any unused variables will be there. Those things also we can have, we can identify, we can just remove them. So these are the steps that involved in the exploratory data analysis, right? And next what we are going to see is, let me show you the next one. What are the main features? Yeah, here I illustrated the main features of the exploratory data analysis, right? Okay, okay, right. Now we are going to see the other features of the exploratory data analysis. Let me show you this one. um, Yeah, the very first one of the exploratory data analysis that we are going to see is nothing but the data distribution. What is the data distribution means? How the data is distributed, how it is related with the one, a feature is related with how, with other feature. Like HRA is relevant to what we can say that is salary feature, how age is relevant to experience, etc., etc. One feature is dependent on another feature, and one feature is correlates with another feature. The best word we can use is as correlation. How it is dependent, how it is correlated, the degree of the correlation, everything we can neatly present with the help of this data distribution. And the next one is correlation. Just now I told how the data is correlated with each other, how one particular feature is correlated with another feature, how one particular feature is associated with another kind of the feature, the degree of the correlation, the degree of the dependency, everything we can illustrate here in the second feature called the correlation. And the third one is what? Outlier detection. We may have, I told no in the previously, we may have some set of the outliers also. So those outliers we can easily identify and we can remove those outliers. And the next one is what? Handling the missing values. What is handling missing values? Some of the missing values will be there in the data set. How to handle it? Just we can remove it and we can handle. And the next one is statistical information. So what is the statistical information? Mean, median, standard deviation, etc. Information will be shown by the exploratory data analysis with each and every feature. And correlation matrix also, it will give as an output when we work with the exploratory data analysis. So statistical information is also one of the information feature of this exploratory data analysis. And finally we have seen the visualizations, beautiful visualizations like histograms, bar graphs, pie charts, and as well as what we can say that is scatter plots, box plots, etc., etc. Okay, and scatter plots helps you to represent the outlier detection also. Like that we can have various features of this exploratory data analysis in the data science, right? Okay, so are you able to listen my participants? Okay, so what I would like to do is, yeah, what I would like to do is I want to stop here from now, and again from the next week I want to start. Okay, so Sai Krishna, are you there? And Sumant, are you there? Because it is already 4:25, so the people have some work also. So that's why I want to stop it now. and I want to continue it further in the on the next coming Saturday or next coming Sunday. So just tell me in your uh, chat. Tell me in the chat your views. Have you understand the session, the introduction part and all? Just tell me. The people who are there, please respond in the live chat. I'm watching the live chat. Yes, your suggestions are welcome. Sumant, Sai Krishna, and Swati, who are there in the live, please. Because if I start now, it will take another 2 hours. So that's why I would like to stop now. And again, new session I want to start, and I will inform some other people to join. So that they can also utilize this session, because now I found very few people have joined now. Yeah, just tell me. Thank you, Sai. Thank you. Your suggestions and your comments are welcome. Please give in the live chat. I'd like to start in the next week, because um, if I start now, it will take some more time. So that's why I don't want to continue now. I want to start live session again on the next week. Please share your views. Give me feedback. Suggest me any new suggestions. Thank you, Sumant. Thank you so much. Yeah, any other? Please suggest me. Any other you want to say? Just tell me. Any improvements are needed or any other things are needed? Actually, I would like to start a hands-on session also, but in this session it's not possible. Let us see in the coming week it is possible or not. We will hope more participants will join in the coming week. Uh, Give me suggestions. Your suggestions are most welcome. Yeah, okay. Shall we stop now? I'm going to stop now today's session, and again I'm going to start it on coming Saturday or Sunday. I want to plan the new session so that I'll hope more number of the participants will join and they can utilize this. Okay, so please give your valuable suggestions. Yeah, please. Yeah, sure, sure. I'll share the PPT. Sure, Sai. I'll share the PPT. Sure, sure. Yeah, I'll send it to you. Right. Okay. Right. Please utilize this session and tell your friends also to join and complete this. And next week, I want to plan this. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. I'm closing this stream, live stream. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Sumant, Sai Krishna, and Swati, and known people, and who are joined, others I don't know. Thank you. Thank you, Sai. Thank you, Sumant. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Keep watching.